need y'all job.
What you mean?
Shit, man. My job is rough. Yeah.
My job is. We can get all this together though. We can get this all fixed up for you. And I'm assuming this probably rubs in the shoe. Is that a little sore? Got enough. All right, let me know if I'm causing you any discomfort. Really what we're going to do is we're going to start kind of scraping all this stuff off. All the build up. Do we need to go turn that radio on? Actually, this is not as bad as one would think. I'll work down here now. Peel some of this stuff off. And this doesn't hurt at all when you're walking around, is it? It's more just, what can I do about it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see something. I've got a really aggressive bit here. Oh, is that hurting you? Or it just feels funny?
Yeah, it's funny.
Choke up on it a little bit. And just let me know if I'm hurting you. I'm sorry, man. That's not how my list of things to do is in tickling another man's feet. Trying best to get all this stuff off. Actually, I feel a major difference. Just like that, I'm gonna come back and work on that area. Let's get started on that. Now, you know what this reminds me of?
What?
Remember that episode of Martin?
Oh,
When Tina was working in Shanae's salon.
yes,
She was like, "We got to go to work on Myra's feet," and the dust was flying and everything. This reminds me of it. I ain't mean to do you like that, man. But I used to have that video playing in my lobby in the waiting area.
I know people like, oh damn.
You could tell who knew the show because you would hear that audible laughter from the waiting area. They're like, "This guy is out of his mind." Well, I mean, if you can't laugh at work, why are you working?
Man.
So do you get pedicures at the traditional places?
No.
Okay.
I probably need to start.
So, I think you're probably stuck with me now.
Okay.
I'm sorry, man, I promise. Work on these two. And I take it you're probably wearing non-slip shoes for work.
Mm-hmm.
One thing that I found to get better support, let me look back at this chart. Yeah, you and I are about right around the same generation.
Mm-hmm.
It's not the best thing, but I found if you take the inserts out of like your old running shoes and wear those in your work shoes, it tends to be a bit of a better insert. Or if you need a recommendation for some better inserts as well to make those shoes a bit more comfortable, that's possible. Let me come over here. Let's whittle this down a little bit. And I can just tell by where the little callus is here and there, that's just kind of where the pressure builds up a little bit. Just going to trim that off.
So, Doc, how long you been doing this?
I've been practicing for about 14, 15 years, but doing this line of work for probably about 5.5, 6 years.
Okay.
Get this on. That was real nice of you. Have your lady to have you come by the office. Is this kind of like a Father's Day kind of gift thing, or just she was like, you just need to get in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so she plays you. Okay. So she played you. It's all good though. We'll get you. Oh yeah. It's real thick. I'll get a nice blend there.
I need your job.
What you mean?
Shit, man. My job is rough. Yeah.
My job is. We can get all this together though. We can get this all fixed up for you. And I'm assuming this probably rubs in the shoe. Is that a little sore?
Yeah. I ain't gonna even lie.
And this looks like that's pretty sore too. Okay, we can fix all that. When I'm done with it, it's not going to even look like the same foot.
God, I've been here for about 5 years. Houston, I see some beautiful sights here.
Not me. But think about it like this: a little bit of pain for how much better you're gonna feel. Because I'm sure that was hurting in your shoes.
Mm-hmm.
And then when we're all done too, and we're off camera, I'm gonna talk to you about what you can do to help prevent this issue popping up as well. And for my viewers, there's a reason why I won't do that, because I have to cater the plan to each of y'all. I don't want y'all going out doing a bunch of stuff and hurting yourself and then trying to blame me.
I listen to doctors. If God said the same, I get married on the 5th. My birthday's on the 10th. And I buried my mama on the same day. So I'll be 52 if God say the same.
Well, happy early birthday to you. I did see your birthday is coming up.
Yeah.
My condolences also on the loss of your mother.
Oh yeah, man. She died on the 30th, but she had Alzheimer's though. So and that's the crazy part.
So are you planning anything special this year?
My sister, she said, Reg, you just like it don't bother you no more. I said, it always bothers me. Like Mother's Day, all that. Some days that good advice sometimes you don't want to listen to as a child. Then you start listening to it. As you get older, you tell your kids, like, look, don't be dumb like me. I tell them the truth. But Dad, you smart. Yeah, I'm smart, but it's certain levels of smartness. Some of us have to learn the hard way.
What is it? Wisdom is learning from the mistakes of others. Experience is learning from your own mistakes. I'd rather take wisdom over experience any day of the week.
Yeah, wisdom. That's it can be a beautiful thing. Especially when you know, like, when you know you learned that lesson.
I will say the older I get, the more right my parents get as well about a lot of things in life. I see what they were talking about. Does it itch between your toes?
Sometimes.
Sometime I got a cure for that too. I'm just gonna start here trimming
Yeah.
and work back around.